My name is Tron. So I'm a fashion designer and fashion stylist.
How long have you been doing that?
I have been doing it for about 8 years, I believe. Well, I had my first show when I was 16 years old, and now I just turned 24 years young. So yeah, so I've been doing it for a while, but I've been getting into like the bigger industries for the last like 4 years.
Do you see yourself as also a designer, but a role model for the women?
I would probably say so, because I mean a lot of times I don't know, you know, how people feel about me, you know,
okay.
and I'm saying that in a great way, because I know a lot of times people send me messages, emails and stuff, how much I inspire them,
okay.
you know, and that alone just let me know that I'm doing a great job. So as long as I get those responses, I'll continue to do exactly what I'm doing today.
Okay. Now, if somebody wanted to be a model, things like that, what like advice would you give them? Like,
of course, you know, just be encouraged, be positive, know that you can do all things through Christ who gives you strength. That's my thing.
Okay.
And, you know, just stay focused. All negativity, block it out. Don't care what anybody says about you. Just do your thing. And as long as you're happy with who you are, then it's all that matters. And you can do anything you put your mind to.
Now, how does somebody get in touch with you? Do you have a website? Are you on Facebook?
Yes, I have all the social network things. I have my website is latronsfashions.webnod.com, and I have Twitter at latronsfashions, and Instagram king_devo, and facebook.com/latronsfashions. So I have all the network.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So what are you hoping to accomplish today?
I hope to get some great business. Yes, that's one.
Okay.
I just hope to entertain. I'm an entertainer as well, so I just hope that the crowd is entertained. And you know, I just want to put my fashions out there. I'm working on my new collection, so this is my new stuff that I'm showing tonight.
Awesome.
So I'm going to be showing some of my new pieces. So I just hope to get a lot of great feedback and great customers.
Now, what's your favorite Haitian dish? Do you have something that
I like griot.
Griot.
And I'm not Haitian, mind you. I love griot. I went to a Haitian wedding one time because I have a couple Haitian friends, and all they want to do is feed you.
Yeah.
And I like that. I like to eat. So I was like, oh yeah, I want to come back to another Haitian wedding because I like to eat. They feed you. So I love griot.